Hello and welcome back to my channel V Details. Myself Vikash and this channel is all about auto detailing. Today I'm going to talk about two interesting topics. A, why your car's paint need a protection layer over it, and B, when to do a paint protection or when to protect your car's paint. So I'll be talking about the history of paints, when and why it was invented, and what role it plays today in the automotive industry, and what are the types of paint protections available today, and how can you protect your car's paint. That and a lot more coming up on this episode of Enhance and Preserve. Stay tuned. So to begin with, let's talk about the history of automotive paints. Automotive paints were first introduced in 1900s and its sole purpose was to prevent the metal from getting rusted due to environmental conditions. Today, automotive paint doesn't only protect the metal, but it's the most important part of a design aspects of a car. And it is the first thing you look at when you get into your car, and it is the last thing you look at when you get out of your car. And most importantly, it is the single most important factor you use to select your car. Today there are a lot of color options available across various different car manufacturers. We go out there, we select a specific brand, we select a specific vehicle, we select a specific color, we buy that and drive that on the road. But what happens when there isn't any paint protection on your car? It eventually gets oxidized and fades away because of all the environmental factors like dirt and grime, rainwater, industrial fallouts, tree saps or tree fallouts, bird poops that cause really bad damage to your car's paint. It has chemicals that can etch your paint and cause severe damage, and I have a video where I have demonstrated what it looks like when there isn't any paint protection and what damage it can cause to your paint, and I'll link that somewhere here, so do watch that video. And apart from that, it gets exposed to direct sunlight, and sun's UV can damage and fade the color of your paint. So basically, a paint protection is a thin layer of barrier between your car's paint and all the environmental factors. So basically, there are four types of paint protections you can protect your car's paint with. A, car waxes. They have been the most oldest and traditional way to protect a car's paint with. They last somewhere around 3 to 6 weeks, being the least durable product among the other three. Then we have paint sealants. Due to the chemical bonding with the paint surface, they last somewhere around 3 to 6 months, and they have double the durability than that of the wax. Then we have ceramic coatings. Ceramic coatings are the most durable ones, and they also have scratch resistant properties and hydrophobic properties, and they last somewhere around 1 to 5 years depending on what product or brand you choose. Then we have paint protection film. They have this extreme scratch resistant property, and they are the most expensive ones among the three. So I encourage my viewers to protect their car's paint or their vehicle's paint with any one of these paint protection. So now we'll get back to the question, when to do paint protection, and the answer to that question is immediately after the purchase of your vehicle, because the stock factory finish paint doesn't have any chemical resistance, and most importantly doesn't have any scratch resistant properties, and it will eventually fade away, and it's so thin that it can also peel off if there isn't any protection layer over it. And to explain you or to show you how thin the factory finish clear coat is, it is this thin. It is this thin as a sticky note or a post-it note, and to protect this paint immediately after you purchase your vehicle is the most right thing you can do. So apart from that, installing a paint protection for your vehicle has four major benefits. A, it increases gloss and shine, making it look new for a longer period of time. B, it increases the resale of your vehicle. C, it acts like a sunscreen, and most important point D, it reduces the need for polishing. And especially when I say the factory finish clear coat is this thin, I do not encourage it to be polished more than 3 times. So today we talked about what is paint protection, what are the types of paint protection, and what is the importance of paint protection, and when to do a paint protection. So I hope this video was informative, and I'll be coming up with a lot of more videos like this, and I'll also be coming up with DIY how-to videos where I'll be showing you how to protect your paint by yourself. and please subscribe to my channel, share the video and give a thumbs up if you like this video. Thanks for watching. That and a lot more coming up on my future episodes of Finance and Preso. Stay tuned. Bye bye.